These underrated inventions are packed with useful features that most people still haven't discovered yet. Prep ingredients faster with the Baddelite Mini Garlic Slicer. This multifunctional kitchen tool slices, shreds, and grinds garlic, ginger, and vegetables with ease. Featuring a built-in container for mess-free prep, it's compact, convenient, and perfect for everyday cooking. Save time in the kitchen and grab yours today for just $10. Shred meat in seconds with the Chicken Shredder Tool Twist, the fast and easy way to prepare chicken, pork, or beef for tacos, sandwiches, salads, and more. Simply place the meat inside and twist for perfectly shredded results every time. BPA-free, durable, and super easy to clean, all for just $7. Cook healthier meals in minutes with the Oxogood Grips Silicone Steamer. Designed to fit a variety of pots, this flexible, heat-resistant steamer makes steaming vegetables, seafood, and more quick and effortless. Its non-slip handles ensure safe lifting, while the collapsible design allows easy storage. Upgrade your kitchen today for just $19. Cook delicious meals anywhere with the OddCook 2L Electric Hot Pot. Featuring an 8-inch ceramic glazed non-stick pan, dual power settings, and a portable design, it's perfect for ramen, steak, fried rice, soup, and more. Complete with a silicone spatula, it's the ultimate travel-friendly cooker. Get yours today for just $39. Simplify kitchen cleanup with the Magnetic Drainage Filter Basket 2.0 design. This magnetic corner basket catches food scraps, rinses produce with ease, and features a twist-open bottom for quick disposal, keeping your sink cleaner and more organized. All for just $22. Make meal prep faster and cleaner with this 2-pack 2-in-1 stainless steel garlic peeler. Effortlessly remove garlic skins in seconds while keeping your hands odor-free. It also works great for peeling carrots, ginger, and other vegetables. Durable, multifunctional, and easy to use. This handy kitchen tool delivers big convenience for only $10. Organize your kitchen in style with the 5-tier kitchen fruit vegetable storage cart. Featuring 5 spacious rotating baskets, this versatile storage rack keeps fruits, vegetables, snacks, spices, and pantry essentials neatly arranged and easy to access. The sturdy floor-standing design and smooth rolling wheels make it simple to move wherever you need extra storage. Perfect for kitchens, pantries, and dining areas, all for just $66. Handle hot dishes safely and easily with the Soliter Plate Gripper Set. Perfect for Instant Pot accessories, air fryer pans, steamers, microwaves, and toaster ovens. These handy grippers help you lift hot plates and bowls without burns or spills. Durable, easy to use, and great for everyday cooking, this convenient 2-pack is a smart kitchen essential for just $20. Make mealtime easier with the Sturmax Plus 7.5-quart digital multi-cooker. Featuring a built-in automatic paddle that stirs and shreds for you, this 9-in-1 programmable cooker can sauté, sear, brown, and simmer with minimal effort. Its large 7.5-quart capacity, included accessories, and cookbook make it the perfect all-in-one kitchen companion. Just $85. Measure ingredients with precision using the Joseph MeasureUp. This adjustable spoon handles both wet and dry ingredients with one simple tool, reducing clutter and saving time. Smart, compact, and accurate. Grab yours today for just $9. Keep your kitchen clean and organized with the Sukugi 2-tier dish drying rack. This compact yet spacious 2-tier design holds dishes, bowls, and utensils efficiently while saving counter space. Built with durable stainless steel and a dedicated cutlery holder, it's perfect for small families and everyday kitchen use. Stylish, sturdy, and practical. All for just $18. Quick, compact, and perfect for everyday meals. The Desen Hot Pot Electric 2L Non-Stick Sauté Pan makes cooking easy anywhere. With adjustable power settings, rapid heating, and a non-stick design, it's ideal for ramen, steak, eggs, fried rice, soup, and more. Perfect for college dorms or small spaces, this portable cooker delivers convenience for just $33. Say goodbye to hand washing with the Hava Countertop Dishwasher. Featuring 6 versatile wash programs, A built-in 5L water tank with no plumbing hookup required and specialized baby care and air drying functions, it delivers powerful cleaning in a compact design. Perfect for apartments, RVs, dorms, and small kitchens, it saves time, water, and effort every day. All for just $339. Make fun, mess-free sandwiches in seconds with the 3-in-1 Uncrustable sandwich maker. Featuring heart, circle, and square shapes, it easily seals and cuts perfect crustless sandwiches for kids' lunches, breakfasts, and snacks. BPA-free, simple to use, and easy to clean. All for just $19. Bake fresh bread at home with the Elite Gourmet Programmable Bread Maker. Create up to a 2-pound loaf with 3 size options and 19 smart presets, including gluten-free, dough, and jam. With a convenient delay timer, enjoy perfectly baked bread anytime. Easy, customizable, and delicious. Cook more in less time with the Crock-Pot multi-meal multi-cooker and programmable slow cooker. Featuring 2 3.7-quart nonstick pots, this versatile multi-cooker lets you prepare 2 different dishes simultaneously while also offering a convenient bake function. Perfect for feeding 8 or more people, it simplifies meal prep, family dinners, and entertaining. Plus, the dishwasher-safe pots make cleanup quick and effortless. All for just $179. Strip corn kernels in seconds with the Dream Farm Corpel. This clever, mess-free corn peeler glides smoothly down the cob, removing kernels quickly and safely without the hassle of a knife. Compact, easy to use, and perfect for salads, soups, and side dishes. All for just $13. Cook delicious family meals with the versatile Emusa 6.9 QT Beastroa ceramic Caldero Dutch oven. Featuring durable aluminum construction, a non-stick ceramic interior, and a clear glass lid, this 6.9-quart pot is perfect for rice, stews, soups, and traditional recipes. Stylish, easy to clean, and ideal for everyday cooking. All for just $25. Serve pizza like a pro with the 17 by 13.5 bamboo pizza peel cutting board 2-in-1. A stylish 2-in-1 pizza peel and cutting board made from durable bamboo. Featuring dual grip handles and a large surface, it's perfect for baking, slicing, and serving homemade pizzas with ease. This complete pizza accessory set brings restaurant-style convenience to your kitchen for just $34. Keep your sink clean and clog-free with the kitchen sink strainer with 200 mesh filter bags. Featuring a convenient basket holder and disposable mesh filter bags, it easily catches food scraps and leftovers for quick cleanup. Simple, hygienic, and perfect for every kitchen. All for just $17. Bring dull blades back to life with the Longs & 6-in-1 knife sharpener. Featuring 5 sharpening stages and a cut-resistant glove for added safety, it quickly sharpens, restores, and polishes knives and scissors with ease. A must-have kitchen tool for safer, smoother cutting. Yours for just $20. Slice, chop, and prep like a pro with the Submockin Safe Mandolin Slicer. Designed for safety and convenience, this versatile kitchen tool features adjustable thickness settings for perfectly sliced potatoes, vegetables, and more. Fast, efficient, and easy to use, it makes meal prep a breeze. All for just $40. Upgrade your kitchen with the premium Ravati RVH 82-22-33-inch undermount workstation kitchen sink. Crafted from durable 16-gauge stainless steel, this spacious single-bowl sink features a built-in workstation design with a cutting board and handy accessories for efficient meal prep and cleanup. The brushed finish helps hide scratches while adding a sleek modern look, combining style, durability, and functionality for just $649. Keep your food at the perfect temperature with the double-walled stainless steel insulated serving bowl. Featuring double-walled stainless steel insulation and a leak-proof lid, it keeps hot dishes warm and cold foods chilled for hours. Perfect for holidays, parties, picnics, and camping, this stylish 2-quart serving bowl combines convenience and performance. All for just $60. Whisk smarter with the Joseph Twist Whisk 2-in-1 design. Easily switch between a balloon whisk for whipping and a flat whisk for stirring with a simple twist. Its silicone-coated steel wires are safe for non-stick cookware. Create perfect sealed meals in seconds with the CRMPIT large tortilla sealer. Designed for 10 to 12-inch tortillas, it effortlessly makes tacos, quesadillas, and burritos without the mess. BPA-free and dishwasher safe, it's a quick, fun, and easy way to upgrade your everyday cooking. Enjoy endless cooking possibilities with the versatile 2-in-1 hot pot and griddle cooker. Perfect for frying, grilling, boiling, and roasting, this all-in-one appliance features a durable die-cast aluminum body, eco-friendly non-stick coating, and powerful 1200W fast heating for delicious meals with less mess. Designed with safe insulated operation, a tempered glass lid, and compact plug-and-play convenience, it's the perfect addition to any kitchen, all for just $254. Upgrade your kitchen with the Umite Chef 8-piece mixing bowl set. Made from durable stainless steel, these nesting bowls feature airtight lids, non-slip bottoms, and 3 built-in grater attachments for easy prep. Perfect for mixing, baking, serving, and food storage, all in one space-saving design. Get this versatile set today for just $30. Grate, shred, and zest with ease using the Lantana stainless steel cheese grater with container. Featuring 6 essential grating functions from fine to coarse, a built-in container with lid, and a sturdy stainless steel design, it keeps your kitchen clean and efficient. Compact, versatile, and easy to use, all for just $18. Make barbecue prep faster and cleaner with the Drip Easy Collapsible Barbecue Prep Tubs 2-piece set. Marinate, store, and prep food with ease using these extra-large tubs, complete with a cutting board and secure lid. Collapsible for space-saving storage and built for serious grill masters. Get this versatile 2-piece set today for just $100. Enjoy authentic grilling anywhere with the Korean Barbecue Grill Charcoal. This 13.7-inch stainless steel charcoal grill is compact, portable, and perfect for Korean barbecue, camping, outdoor gatherings, or tabletop cooking with family and friends. All for just $40. Organize your kitchen neatly with the Napto 4-tier wood spice rack organizer. Designed to hold up to 28 spice jars, this stylish vertical rack works perfectly on countertops, cabinets, or walls. Durable, space-saving, and easy to install, all for just $25. Upgrade your kitchen with this 24-inch induction cooktop. Featuring 4 powerful burners, Bridge SYNC for larger cookware, and 3 preset modes with booster for rapid heating. The sleek glass surface includes timer, pause, and child lock for safe, precise cooking, modern performance made effortless. Enjoy fast, healthy, and hassle-free cooking with the Sturmax Electric Hot Pot 1.5L. This versatile 1.5L electric skillet features a premium non-stick ceramic coating, BPA-free non-toxic construction, and a convenient steamer with lid, making it perfect for ramen, soups, eggs, steaks, vegetables, and more. Heating up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit in just 4 minutes, it delivers quick meals wherever you are, whether in a dorm, office, RV, or on the go. Compact, portable, and incredibly easy to clean, all for just $40. Make kitchen prep easier with the blue Ginkgo over-the-sink colander. Its extendable design fits most sinks, letting you wash fruits and vegetables, drain pasta, and even dry dishes while saving valuable counter space. Durable, versatile, and perfect for any home kitchen. Grab this must-have essential today for just $19. Keep your kitchen neat and organized with the KitchenEdge adjustable bamboo kitchen drawer organizer. Crafted from 100% sustainable, food-safe bamboo, this expandable tray adjusts from 19 to 33 inches to fit your drawer perfectly. Durable, eco-friendly, and stylish, it's the perfect solution for organizing utensils and kitchen essentials. All for just $62. Make perfect breakfast sandwiches every time with these stainless steel egg rings. This 4-pack includes non-stick 3.5-inch griddle rings for frying eggs, pancakes, and more with clean, round shapes. It also comes with an oil brush and egg separator for easy cooking and less mess. Durable, simple to use, and only $10. Perfect for quick homemade breakfasts. Turn your kitchen into a full indoor barbecue station with the XHJ4 in one electric indoor grill smokeless. Featuring a smokeless grill, sizzling grill pan, auto-rotating kebab skewers, and a hot dog roller, this all-in-one cooker lets you prepare multiple favorites at the same time. With dual-zone cooking, a convenient lid, and removable cooking surfaces for easy cleanup, it's perfect for family meals and entertaining guests. All for just $100. Upgrade your kitchen organization with the Hubro Baker's Rack with Storage Cabinet BB13 UDHB01. Featuring 5 spacious shelves, a built-in power outlet, stylish LED lighting, and a storage cabinet. This industrial-style rack is perfect for coffee stations, microwaves, and kitchen essentials. Functional, modern, and space-saving. All for just $130. Make cherry prep fast and mess-free with the 2026 upgraded Cherry Pitter. This smart 7-in-1 tool removes pits quickly with extra-large slots that fit more cherries at once. The transparent pit cup reduces splatter and keeps your kitchen clean while making cherry jam, desserts, or snacks. Dishwasher safe, easy to use, and only $18. Perfect for every fruit lover's kitchen. Open cans safely and effortlessly with the Kuhn Ricken Auto Safety Lid Lifter Can Opener. Designed with smooth edge cutting technology and a built-in ring pull opener, this compact and stylish red can opener makes kitchen prep faster and safer. Easy to use, comfortable to grip, and perfect for every kitchen. All for just $29. Cook crispy, delicious meals with the powerful Vuesign 6.8 QD10 in one air fryer. Featuring 10 cooking functions, fast 400 degrees Fahrenheit heating, a visible cooking window, and an adjustable bottom heater for extra crispy results. This 1700W air fryer makes healthy cooking easy and convenient. With a non-stick dishwasher-safe basket and large 6.8 QD capacity, it's perfect for family meals. All for just $54. Upgrade your baking game with the wooden rolling pin 17.6-inch. Crafted from durable beech wood with smooth rotating ergonomic handles for effortless rolling. Perfect for pizza, pastries, bread, and cookies, this classic dough roller gives you even results every time. And at just $8, it's a must-have kitchen essential for every home baker. Brew rich, flavorful coffee the classic way with the Presto 02811 stainless steel electric coffee percolator. Designed to make anywhere from 2 to 12 cups of hot, delicious coffee in minutes. Featuring a durable stainless steel body, easy pour spout, and stay cool handle, it's perfect for home, office, or entertaining guests. Enjoy cafe-style coffee anytime for just $77.